Hi everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial you will learn how to run your Postman collections from the command line using a powerful tool called Newman. So first understand about the Newman. What is Newman? Newman is a command line tool by Postman that let you run your Postman collection directly from the terminal. By using Newman, you can run your collection directly from the terminal. Step 1, export collection. Export collection from Postman. This is step 1. Open Postman, and here in this collection, demo collection, you can view multiple requests. Get user list and get single user and create user. Now click on three dot and then click on more, and then click on export. Export collection. You can export collection v2 and collection v2.1. Here share collection also available. You can share this collection with someone and then click on export JSON. It will ask for save this collection. You can change this location, or either you can create a new collection for it. Now click on pictures and change collection name here, demo underscore collection. Click on save. Now your collection was exported successfully. Step 2, install Node.js if not already installed in your system. For checking that Node.js is installed or not in your system, you can check by CMD, open CMD and search Node-v. As you can view, this is the version of Node.js. For verifying npm version, you can write here npm-v. If you want to download Node.js, so open Chrome browser and search Node.js download. Click on Node.js download Node.js and scroll down. Here option available, Windows installer .msi. Click on this button for download Node.js. Now step 3 step 3 install Newman globally. You can install Newman by CMD. For installing Newman, you just need to enter here npm install -g Newman. Now installing has been started. After installing, you can view here Newman installed successfully. As you can view, this is the warnings. Now installing, and here you can view changed 120 packages for verifying whether this new man is installed or not. So you can enter here new man -v. This is the command for checking the version of new man. As you can view, new man -v 6.2.1. Step 4, check new man installed. And the command is new man -v. This is the command for installing, and new man -v. This is the command for verifying whether the new man is installed or not. Now, step 4, 5 is run collection. New man run collection .json. For running the collection from command line, you need to enter this command. New man run, remove this one, new man run, and enter collection name .json. Now, open here. Now, we can run this collection by command line. Open this location in which this collection are saved and enter here cmd, enter command here new man run, and then enter collection name. If you are getting any error, so you need to check this file type. As you can view, type of file JSON, source file .json. You can change this file type here. We just need to enter here demo underscore collection .json. Now, open cmd, enter command here new main run, and enter demo underscore collection .json. Now, as you can view here, new main collection get user list, get single user, and create user. We have total 3 APIs here: get user list, get single user, create user. Open cmd. This is the iteration. In collection we have only one iteration, so here you can view one iteration. No failed, request 3. We have total 3 requests. So here in executed 3 requests, total test script count is equal to 1. In first request we have only one script, pm.status, in which verify status code should be equal to 200. And assertions 1, this is the assertions count. Total duration 2.8 second, total data received, and average response time 847 millisecond. Now, generate a report. Step 6, generate report. For generating report, you need to first install reporter npm install -g newman dash reporter dash html. Open cmd and here enter npm install -g newman dash reporter dash html. Now, new main reporter is installed. After successfully installed, we can generate the report here. For generating report, you need to enter command here, step 6. Here, this is the step 6. npm install -g new main dash reporter dash html. Step 7 is command for generating report. npm run, enter collection name with type dot json minus r html dash dash reporter html dash spot, and then enter path in which location you want to save this report. As you can view here, 8 packages are looking for funding. This is the command for details, and reporter is successfully installed. Now enter command here, npm. This is the command for installing. Now we need to enter new main run, enter collection name which is demo underscore collection dot json minus r html for generating report dash dash reporter dash html dash export, and then enter the path here and copy this complete path. Open cmd, enter path here, and then enter report dot html. This is the file name. Now enter. As you can view, collection is running, and we can check this report in this location. Report, this is the size. Double click on this one, and report generated successfully. This is the collection name and the time, date and time exported with new main. This is the version, iterations, request. We have total 3 requests, so you can view here 3 requests. This is the total run duration, total data received, average response time, and here detail available requests. All requests are showing here. But one thing need to be noticed here: when we are running this collection with report here in cmd, we cannot view here executed like this. So here we just need to change here. After enter collection name, just enter here minus r CLI, remove this one, and comma here, remove spaces, minus r CLI, comma html dash dash report. Now click on enter. As you can view, demo collection, and here we can view table, and the report also generated successfully. Let's delete this report and again enter command here. This is the command for running the collection with report. Now you can view here all the requests as well report generated successfully. This is the report name, new main report, and collection is demo collection. That are for today tutorial on new main and how you can generate report in a Postman. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more real world Postman tutorials. See you in the next video.